Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce labor costs with Upwork, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the specific tasks or projects that can be outsourced. List the skills and expertise required for these tasks. Create a clear job description outlining responsibilities, qualifications, and expectations. Set a budget for each project, ensuring it's competitive yet fair. Visit Upwork's website and create an account if you haven't already. Use the search function to find freelancers with the specific skills you need. Review freelancer profiles, paying attention to ratings, reviews, and work history. Shortlist potential candidates based on their experience and expertise. Draft a detailed job post using the information from your earlier job description. Clearly state what you are looking for and any deadlines associated with the project. Post the job and wait for freelancers to apply. Evaluate the applications you receive. Conduct interviews with the top candidates to assess their skills and fit for your project. Request samples of their previous work to ensure quality. Negotiate terms, including payment and timelines, before making a final decision. Hire the freelancer who best meets your requirements. Provide clear instructions and ensure open communication throughout the project. Monitor progress regularly and offer constructive feedback as needed. Review the completed work and ensure it meets your expectations. Make the payment through Upwork once you are satisfied with the work. Maintain a good relationship with freelancers for future collaborations. Organize your workflow to incorporate outsourced tasks effectively. Track your labor costs consistently to understand the impact on your overall budget. Adjust your approach as necessary based on project outcomes and freelancer performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.